Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP has only been consolidating over the last couple of days, and I have adjusted the wave count a little bit, but only to make it a better fit. I mean, nothing wasn't validated, no support levels have changed. It just looks a little bit like a triangle pattern that's unfolding here. These patterns are not necessarily high probability, these Elliott wave triangles. A lot of them are failing, but in the last few weeks, especially since the November rallies started across the sector, since then we have seen some of these triangles actually break out in the right direction. So these are typical, normally like retail patterns, and people jump onto these triangles, they often fail. But when the market is bullish, they actually break out often in the direction of the trend. So it would be to the upside. But bear in mind, and I'm not going to show you now the bigger picture in this video. We did that in previous videos over the last few days a lot, right? The daily chart. Check out the last videos for that. We will do that once more in the next few videos. But what I want to highlight is we've obviously moved over the last few weeks from a support area towards this critical next resistance around $2. And I mean, there isn't necessarily in this wave 3, which started down there early in August, in this wave 3, there isn't necessarily too much more scope or space. If this really is a triangle, then it's going to be like the last sideways correction before this move completes. There's normally one more move after a triangle, and that could be it. So I'm going to watch for a larger correction afterwards, and that would fit because the $2 level is really a critical resistance. We're not there yet, but that's a key breakout point. I'm not saying we have to stop there, but it's an absolute important resistance level as described in previous videos. Now, purpose of this video is just to show you the relevant Fibonacci levels at the moment. They're located between $1.11 here on the very small time frame, just for this localized pattern, $1.11 to $1.36. Actually, if an Elliott wave triangle is unfolding, which is typically an A, B, C, D, E pattern, then we should get one more higher low in an E wave, which means this higher low should hold above $1.28, above those last swing lows. At the moment, there's a bit of a double bottom, but this D wave ideally stays below the B wave high, because only then it's a triangle. So I need one more higher low and then an upside breakout. That would constitute an Elliott wave triangle. Other patterns, of course, possible. For example, if this now forms a little move higher, right, then it could be just an A, B, C, and the B wave itself is an A, B, C. So it would just be a larger correction. Overall, I think what really matters is just to watch these Fibonacci levels, watch for a first upside breakout signal. What would be a first signal? A first signal would be a move above the $1.54 level, this last swing high, and a breakout confirmation would be a sustained or convincing break with momentum above $1.63. This is essentially just seen as a sideways consolidation right now. Again, best signal would be an E wave now, a higher low, and then an upside breakout, because then if we break above waves D and B, those are the signals we need for an upside breakout signal. But for now, we're holding here. So this is now a critical juncture, because any direct move higher leaves the door open for another test of support in a more complex A, B, C structure, and then move up. But again, the exact micro count isn't so important when we're dealing with these wave 4 patterns. What is important is to watch for the bulls to turn up, ideally before we break below $1.11. And any break below 111 could indicate that we're already in circle wave 4. It's the larger degree wave 4 with support between 84.4 cents and $1.19. There's additional support at 98 cents. Again, I'm not telling you we have to test like the lowest level or something, but it would be these would be the next relevant support levels of the next larger degree wave. So yeah, that's just a quick update, as not much happened here on the XRP chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.